Eight single crochet to magic ring. Round 2, 2 single crochet each stitch. Round 3, 1 single crochet first stitch, 1 increased next stitch, 2 single crochet same stitch, 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Round 4, 1 single crochet next 2, 1, 2, then 1 increase, 1 single crochet next 2, 1, 2, then 1 increase, 2 single crochet same stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Repeat the pattern. Round 5 to round 7, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 3 rounds. Round 8, first 1 increase, 2 single crochet same stitch, then 1 single crochet next 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First increase, then 1 single crochet next 12, then 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet next 2, 1, 2, again 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, then 1 single crochet next 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 1 increase, last stitch. Round 9. First 1 single crochet, then 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, next 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then decrease 2 times. 2 single crochet together, again 2 single crochet together, decrease 2 times, then again 1 single crochet, next 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then 1 increase, next stitch, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, last stitch. Round 10. 1 single crochet, next 2. 1 2, then 1 increase, 2 single crochet, same stitch, again 1 single crochet, next 12. Then 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, again 1 single crochet, next 12. Then 1 increase, 2 single crochet, same stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 2. 1 2. Round 11. 1 single crochet, next 3. 1 2 3, then 1 increase, 2 single crochet, same stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 3. 1 2 3, again 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, next 10. then 1 increase, 1 single crochet, next 3, 1, 2, 3. Round 12, first 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, next 5, then 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, then 1 single crochet, next 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 3, again 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next 7, then 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 increase, last stitch, 12 round, 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, next 5, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 7, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 3, 1 decrease, again 1 single crochet, next 7, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 5, 1 increase, last stitch. Round 13, 1 increase, first stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 6, 1 increase, first stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 6, then 1 decrease, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4, again 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, 1 increase, next stitch, again 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 4, again 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next 6, then 1 increase, last stitch, I change the color in this round. I am using red color. Round 14, 1 increase, first stitch, 1 increase, first stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 7, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, again 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next stitch, 1 increase, next stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, then 1 increase, next stitch, 1 single crochet, next stitch, 1 increase and 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, again 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, next 7, one increase, last stitch, again I change the color. Round 15, 1 increase, first stitch, then 1 single crochet, next 8, then decrease 2 times, 2 single crochet together 2 times, 1, 2, 2 single crochet together 2 times, then 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, 1 single crochet, next 2, then 1 increase, repeat pattern 2 times, second time 1 single crochet, next 2, then 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, next 2, 1, 2, then again decrease 2 times, 2 single crochet together 2 times, 1, 2, then 1 single crochet, next 8, 1 increase, last stitch. Round 16, 1 single crochet, next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1 increase. 1 single crochet, next 7. Then 1 increase. Then 1 single crochet, next stitch. Then 1 decrease. 2 single crochet together. 1 decrease. Then 1 single crochet, next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 single crochet, next 6. Then 1 increase. Then 1 single crochet, next 5. Then 1 decrease. 2 single crochet together. Then 1 single crochet, next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then increase 2 times. 2 single crochet, same stitch, again 2 single crochet, next stitch. Round 17, 1 single crochet, next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 single crochet, next 8. Then 1 increase. 1 single crochet, next 8. Then 1 increase. Repeat the pattern.